Excavators are a cornerstone of modern construction sites. These versatile machines are equipped with a powerful arm, bucket, and rotating cab, making them indispensable for a wide range of tasks. Their adaptability and strength make them a favorite among construction professionals. Primarily, excavators are used for digging and moving large amounts of earth. They excel in tasks such as trenching, foundation digging, and material handling. Their ability to rotate 360 degrees allows for efficient operation in various construction scenarios, enhancing productivity. Excavators come in various sizes, from compact models to large-scale machines. Engine power can range from 25 to over 500 horsepower, depending on the model. Their bucket capacity varies, with some capable of holding up to several cubic meters of material, making them suitable for different project scales. Excavators are effective in diverse environments, from urban construction sites to rugged terrains. However, their size may limit their use in confined spaces. Specialized attachments can enhance their functionality, allowing them to tackle specific tasks with precision. Operational costs for excavators include fuel consumption, which can be significant depending on usage. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensure longevity and performance. While initial investment is high, their efficiency and versatility often justify the expense over time.